change for Sohra constituency. Why?
Kyrtong ka TMC na Sohra uba Harold F. Kongsit uloong baka Sohra constituency ka Donkam ya ka Jingkylla ha ka election ar pulai. Habakren ha ka Jingkylla ka TMC Sohra ha ka santarik unay wing ar puar uba Harold uloong bawat hadian san postnem ka Jilla Meghalaya Henry Kamdon Satya ki Kampenroy ban kintiw ya ka thain. Ula weri ki ba ka Sohra ban kirshan ya u hakani ka kenti ban wanra ya ka Jingkylla.
We need a change for Sohra constituency. Why? We have been passing through 50 years from the statehood of Meghalaya. But still, I don't see any tangible change in Sohra constituency, especially in the spheres of education, healthcare, road infrastructures, and unemployment. We want to give a change to these three agendas, which is the main agenda of the Tribunal Congress. And I hope people will vote for a change. And if you want to vote for a change, I need the support of each and everyone to make a change.